Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to get to it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me. But I have utilised good speed along with geometric and observational methods. The first one took 3 minutes, second one took 2 minutes, and the third one took 1.5 minutes. So I am getting a lot more quicker purely because I'm using less lines and also seeing the shape of whatever I'm drawing, and then basically instead of doing line, I can then just see it and actually translate it onto the paper. So I don't know whether I can do that now because I practice so often and I'm getting more skilled. I don't know, but that's what's now happening. So I feel as if a flick of a switch has happened, and I'm delighted that it's happened finally. So yeah, I'm a lot more confident, a lot quicker, and I can actually see the proportions are proper. This one didn't quite work out as well, but number one was the closest to the original reference photo. Please contact me if there's anything that you don't understand, and I shall see you next time. Bye.